Tiana. I bought some products from Lina, and I bought this stamp stick that I want to try today. It's supposed to be for foils, but I think it's also for chrome powders, and I want to test it with chrome powders today. I also bought a new stamping polish from Lina. This one. It's called, let me see. This one is called Your Float or Mine. Your Float or Mine. So I want to try this one as well. And then I'm going to use the WhatsUp fairy powder. I'm going to test it with this powder. So on my nails I am wearing just a normal polish. This one is from Vegas. It's number 710. And then I'm also wearing Essie. This one I found it in my shopping mall a few days ago. It's really beautiful. It's got like a gold shimmer in it. Really beautiful. I found actually a couple of Essies there. Sometimes you can be lucky. This one is called Get Oasis. You can't see the gold shimmer so much, but outside you can see it. But it's really beautiful. So I'm going to start with the stamp stick. And today I'm using my Moira small stamper. So I'm just going to use my finger. I'm just going to remove the excess with the I'm just removing with my small lint roller. Dark today, it's hard for me to show it. This has hit the bottle, a bolt from the blue. It's difficult to paint upside down. So I'm gonna go over it with water-based base coat, or you can use any base coat that's made of water, or top coat. So it takes the powder really good. You can see it takes the powder really good. I'm really happy for the stamp stick. You see how perfect it is? So I want to show you that you can use this stamp stick with foils also. So the last 3 nails, I have this foil from AliExpress, and I'm gonna try and do something. So I'm just gonna make a line or something like that. So you see, it takes foils as well. So I'm gonna try and fix it. So I fixed it. So what I did, I just stamped over and did it again on top. Just gonna show it to you again. Oh, this one, it fell off alone. So I'm just gonna do the same, because this is my right hand, so it's always harder on the right hand. I'm gonna top coat with Szechuan today. So I want to say that it's very important when if you use Lina Stamp Stick, that the nail polish, the base color, is very dry, like super dry. Otherwise the powder or the foil will stick to the base coat and not to the stamp. So if you're not sure if the base coat is really dry, then you can apply matte top coat, and then after, at the end, just put glossy top coat. The nails. If you like the nails, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. And I've been working really hard lately. Before I kept my channel secret, but now, like, in my world, in my reality, no one knew that I had a channel. And now I've told everyone, and everyone is so helpful. Even the people in my street, and like everyone. I've really been working hard for my channel. Anyway, have a good day. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.